How to fix KB5043178 failed to install in Windows 11 24H2. Hello friends, follow the steps. Method 1. Install the update from Microsoft Update Catalog. Open a browser. Type Microsoft Update Catalog. Press Enter. Click on this link. Type KB5043178. Click on Search. Here you find two files. Check your system type. Click on Start. Click on Settings. System. About. System type. 64-bit operating system. This is the first file. Click on Download for the first file. Click on both links one by one. Once downloading is completed, click on File Explorer icon. Click on Downloads. Right click on this file at first, KB5043080, and click on Open. After installing this, right click on KB5043178, open. Install both the updates. Next method is Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. Click on Start, Settings, System, Troubleshoot, Other Troubleshooters. Click on Run for Windows Updates. Follow the recommendations given by the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Next method, Reset Windows Update Cache. Click on Search, type CMD. Select Run as Administrator. Run all these lines of commands one by one. You will find these commands in description. For example, copy first line of commands. Paste into the command prompt. Press Enter. Second line. Press Enter. In the same way, run all these commands. In the end, you restart your computer and check for updates. Run System Files Checker and DISM tools. Again open CMD as administrator. Type System Files Checker command. sfc /scan now. After this process reaches 100%, run DISM commands. You will find DISM command line tools in the description. And at last, restart your computer and then start Settings, Windows Update, check for updates. Next method, detach external devices. Unplug any external storage device or drives, docks or other hardware plugged into your computer. Then try to install the update again and see if this fixes the issue. Method 6. Run disk cleanup. Click on Search. Type disk cleanup. Press Enter. Select correct drive. Click OK. Click on Cleanup System Files. Click on OK. Check all the boxes here and click on OK. Then click on Delete Files. After deleting the files, restart your computer and try to install the update. If any methods don't work, you will need to run inplace upgrade. For this, open a browser, type Windows 11 download. Click on the link at the top. Reach download Windows 11 disk image ISO for x64 devices. Click on select download. Select this one. Click on download now. After validation, click on choose one and select a language suitable for you. Click on confirm. Click on 64-bit download. Once downloaded, go to File Explorer, Downloads folder. Right click on the ISO file and select Mount. On Open File Security warning, click on Open. Right click on setup.exe. Click on Open. Run. Check this box and click on Next. Click on Install. That's all, friends. Thanks for watching the video.